Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Easter chocolates. First, select a good quality chocolate, preferably couverture, for a smooth finish and excellent taste. Gently melt your chocolate using a double boiler, stirring frequently, or in the microwave at 30-second bursts. It's crucial to temper the chocolate, aiming for a temperature between 88 and 91 degrees Fahrenheit or 31 to 33 degrees Celsius to prevent blooming and ensure a beautiful shine. Once your chocolate is perfectly tempered, carefully pour it into your chosen Easter-themed molds. Silicone or polycarbonate molds work best for easy release and a professional look. After filling, gently tap the molds on your countertop a few times. This helps to eliminate any air bubbles that might be trapped, ensuring a smooth, flawless surface on your finished chocolates. Finally, use a scraper to remove any excess chocolate from the top of the molds, creating clean edges. Let your chocolate set completely in a cool, dry environment. This usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the size and thickness. Once firm, carefully unmold them by gently flexing the silicone or polycarbonate mold. They should pop out easily. Now comes the fun part, decorating. You can use edible glitter, colorful sprinkles, or even drizzle a contrasting white or dark chocolate over them for an artistic touch. To keep your beautiful Easter chocolates fresh, store them in an airtight container at a cool room temperature, ideally around 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid placing them in the refrigerator, as the humidity can cause condensation and lead to an undesirable sugar bloom on the surface. These homemade treats are perfect for gifting or enjoying yourself. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.